I'm Brittany McGovern.
My name is Joshua Crouch, and we are the owners of Relentless Digital, a company specializing in marketing for the home service industry. So before starting with Seven Figure Agency, we were right about 83,000 in MRR. We had roughly 25 to 30 clients. Actually, we didn't have any employees at that point. It was just me. She helped me out a little bit, but we didn't have any systems, structure, repeatable things that we could use for our agency to grow it. So we're at 108 clients. They're all niche focused. We just crossed 400,000 in monthly recurring revenue. And we have EOS in our business. So every department meets every week to talk about their issues. And we have 35 team members.
I would say Relentless, before joining Seven Figure Agency, it didn't have a lot of processes. We didn't have a lot of SOPs. It was more or less, try it, see how it works. But since joining Seven Figure Agency, we are very structured in our SOPs and following processes, and everything is working a lot better that way.
Some of our main challenges is we did not come from the digital marketing industry. We came from the home service industry. So we had no idea what job roles we needed. We didn't know what numbers we should track. Honestly, we didn't know any of that stuff. Joining Seven Figure Agency and being a part of the community has allowed us to track those numbers, understand what those numbers are, understand what a solid net profit is. These are just things that we didn't know because we didn't come from the space. Our industry is a lot more structured. We have a lot less headaches, a lot less fires now. Things are more organized. We have a team while we're here that is handling things, and we trust that they're able to continue to grow the company with us present or without us there.
Some of the things that have changed since joining Seven Figure Agency is, I would definitely say the processes. The processes, tracking things better, knowing our numbers, knowing our retention, and knowing the important facts has definitely changed. Also having the community of people, the resources, reaching out to anyone with any question we have. Everybody is super helpful, and they all have different experiences and different things. So I think that's been a great resource.
Since implementing the changes in our personal lives, we moved to Arizona. We're originally from Wisconsin, so we got to move where we wanted to live, which has been great for us. It's allowed us to live a healthier lifestyle. We've been focused on our health and fitness over the last 2 years. And honestly, I think it's just made us closer and happier than we were even before that. It's funny because this coming to these events and understanding your next 6 to 12 months is really where you start to think about that. And that's where, if anyone's watching this, I would challenge you to come to these events, because you start thinking about those things. You may think about them, but you don't actually sit and talk with people about them. For us, we're at the point now that we have systems, processes, people in different roles like sales and marketing, things like that. For us over the next 6 to 12 months is to put our foot on the gas and really start growing.
I think for me, my favorite thing about Seven Figure Agency is the community and the resources. Being able to reach out on Facebook with questions that we have that we might not know, and people can help with that. Also, all of the tools that we're given. Ooh, why should you join Seven Figure Agency? There's a lot of different reasons. I'd say the biggest things, at least for me, is one, I'm big about community. So having people that are like-minded, that are doing the same things that you are, being surrounded by those people, help you get better results, help you grow your agency. That, and then again, we're gonna go back to the tools. It's a lot of plug and play. We don't have to, reinvent the wheel. Everything's there. So having those resources is worth more than anything.
Honestly, I just want to thank Josh and Yesenia. The community has been awesome. It's been really great to see them grow even just over the last 3 years. There's so many different niches that are focused here. It's such a great way to learn from so many people because there's so many different things that people can implement. We've learned a lot just from some of the stuff that other people are doing on how to advertise their own business and dial that in. So it's been a great community. The biggest thing is the things you learn, go back home, implement them right away.